And speaking of real estate, this is the newest right here. This is concrete printing, for a better term. We got 3D printing. Okay, you're going to be structurally printing here, any direction. And then in the center there, you can put some sort of foam insulation in. These houses can be built 20 times faster. And the amount of materials is nothing but your concrete, different fiber mix there that you're using. And structurally, the way things have curves instead of hard edges, there's no need for the roofs and the windows and the boards that can be ripped apart in hurricanes and typhoons and this sort of thing. Look how quickly they can bring this up. Just unbelievable engineering that can be done. So there is a way forward even for building in the future. And I think this is really going to be it. This type of, fiber concrete that can be set out into any type of size, shape, and almost indestructible, really. I mean, you'd have to do an enormous amount to destroy one of those buildings. Solid concrete, built in. These are what they're really experimenting with in the Middle East to try to keep the temperature difference in the homes from the desert, 120 degrees outside, but how do you get that barrier in between? I mean, a lot of these extremes are causing it. And also, all those northern hemisphere countries like Russia and the whole Arctic route over to China, they're all experimenting with this too. Print it out during the summer, let it harden, but then in the wintertime when it's 80 or 90 degrees Celsius below zero, because of the thermal barrier and the way these things are built, it's nice and toasty on the inside. Like, this is being used in extreme cold and extreme heat. I'm just wondering why it's not out there more for us, because the cost of this also is a fraction of what it costs to build a traditional home.